Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Grange. This is the room of Miss Jarvis, who is our phonics lead at Grange, and something very exciting is going to happen next week. So when I'm making this video, it is on the 29th of September, 2023. Hello to Miss Jarvis.
Good morning, everybody. Please come and join us next Thursday, the 5th of October, for our phonics and reading workshop, where you'll get to see all the resources and strategies that we use with your children. Please come and join us. You can come straight from drop-off in the Key Stage 2 hall. See you then.
Brilliant. So the most important thing is you can help your children by understanding about how we teach phonics and how they learn phonics at our school. And Miss Jarvis is actually going to demonstrate for you everything you need to know about phonics, how you can help your child. It is when?
Next Thursday, the 5th of October at 8:45, but come to the hall straight from drop-off.
Right, that's if you're on the Furnace Road side, come straight to the hall, doors will be open. If you drop off at the Welbeck side, do not worry, I will be there. I will tell you where to wait, and then I will bring you through the school so that you can come up to the hall. So, drop off your children, do not go Thursday, 5th of October, and we will get to the Key Stage 2 hall. You are, of course, welcome. Any parent in the school, any carer in the school, you are, of course, welcome. But it's specifically for children in Key Stage 1. So year 1, year 2, and reception
is going to be after half-term.
After half-term, but everybody's welcome. Great stuff. 5th of October, 2023, 8:45, Key Stage 2 hall. Don't worry, we'll get you there. You just need to turn up and you will be able to help your children. Thank you so much.